Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. My name is Trevor. Today we are going to be fixing this problem with the Jeep. Let me show you what it is really quick. So we just changed and fixed our tie rods and drag wing, and we started driving and we got this service electronic stability control message, which is off. So that turns off like the front collision warning and your traction control and all that kind of stuff. And I'll show you guys how easy it is to fix this. Roll that intro. Alright, before we dive into this, I'm gonna give my dad here a shout out, Salt City HVAC. If you guys got any HVAC work that you need, check him out. I'm gonna drop a link in the description below to his website. That's where you can get all the information that you may need and even some financing. So go check him out, let him know I sent you. He'll be happy to hear. We'll catch you guys under the Jeep. Alright, so under the Jeep we go. Got it jacked up, and I'll turn the camera to give you guys a good view. Here's our axle, and then go forward a little bit, and we're looking for this, which is a 15mm, and this adjusting sleeve. And what we need to do is we're going to tighten this more so that the steering pitman arm here, the steering wheel, which I've got somebody, my wife, beautiful wife, in the car watching the steering wheel, and she's going to tell me when it's straight. So first, all we gotta do is loosen this 15. That's gonna tighten it. I gotta get it on the right way. There we go. Oh, I feel like I'm tightening this. I got that thing on there really tight. There we go. So we loosen this, and it doesn't have to be completely loose, but like right there, I just got a couple threads off. Like you can see the bolt wiggles now, and then that will loosen this up, which I can use my little pliers here. And we need to go to tighten it. You got to go the opposite way. So as I'm doing this, she will see the steering wheel move. I'm going to show you guys that.
Ooh, it's a moving. I think one more. There. I think that's good.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, come look. Beep boop boop bop.
There we go. My beautiful wife, Arctic Mama, helping out. So you guys got to see that. Now let's go back under the Jeep. Now that we're back under the Jeep, we can see that we tighten this guy pretty much all the way down. It'll depend on what your Jeep needs. But last, now we're going to tighten that nut again on that bolt. You can see on the back side, I hope you can see it, it's got a little square head on it, so it'll hold it in. But you may need to use your second hand to, instead of hold the camera, push that bolt in. And I'm loosening this. You always got to loosen before you tighten, right? Or tighten before you loosen. It's always one of the two. There we go. Once we get this tight, that error message should go away when we go driving again. Alright, I just wanted to confirm that after you drive, we drove 5 miles. Some have only drove about a mile and got that air to go away. And it took us 5 miles at least of driving and got the air to go away after adjusting that. So if this video helped you guys out, click that like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe. We will catch you in the next one. Kansas has some wild weather. Yesterday was in the 80s. Today, down in the, I don't even know how cold it got, but we got snow today. Thankfully, as you can tell, it didn't stick around. Tomorrow, back to the 60s. Let's go, baby. Kansas, it is what it is. Have a great day, great night. God bless y'all. Catch you in the next one.
Corey.
All right, now that it's recording, welcome to our, we haven't named this challenge yet, but I've got to shoot this ball from a vehicle into that basket going, how fast, Cohen?
10.
10 miles an hour. Let's try this, baby. Day one.
Okay. Day one. I was looking for him. Oh my goodness. Come on this side. Like this side. This side. Keep going. Yeah. No. Point it up.